Hello everyone, welcome back to Miss Crafty Fox. Today it's Black Friday and it's like sales like in stores. So today I went to Walmart and I got 4 like kits, Slimygloop kits. I'll split up for $10. So like $10 in total. So I'm gonna be testing one of these out today and showing you how what the results are. So I'm just gonna start off with this one, right? Because it says you can make 3 stress balls. So satisfying squishy crunch. So, and it has balloons, it looks like. So I'm gonna open this up and see what we got. I know you can't see this on camera, but it's like a pretty like big box. But like all you get in the kit seems to be this, but that's fine. So I'm gonna open, pack it up. So this is what we get. We get some, looks like, I don't know what these are. Maybe beads or, I don't know. I'll have to check the instructions. This looks like instant snow. And these are the 3 balloons we get. I'm going to take pink first, why not? And this is a funnel. We already have one of these at home because I got a Slimygloop kit like 2 years ago from Black Friday. So here are the instructions. Let me read them out. So, Squooshoo's DIY fidgets. Satisfy your sensory craving by creating your own crunchy, squishy stress balls. Before you start squishing, read all instructions carefully. Adult supervision is recommended for the activity. We don't need that. I mean, I don't need adult supervision for this. Do not eat any of the ingredients. Squooshers are made from balloons that can pop, so try not to squeeze too hard and avoid throwing them. Do not dispose of any of the clear beads in the drain. Make sure that you throw them in the trash. Okay, so these are clear beads, yeah. But yeah, they're not the kind of beads where you can like, put string in them and make a necklace. So, certain water sources can cause your Squooshoo to mold. We suggest using purified water and adding a drop of vinegar or antibacterial hand sanitizer to your stress balls to help reduce this factor. So I'm going to be bringing some of that too. So basically bottled water should really work out, and maybe some hand sanitizer or vinegar. We recommend disposing of your Squooshos after 10 days. I mean, I don't even know. I mean, I think it's fine if we keep it for long. I mean, just keep it as long as you can. If it starts to get moldy, then just throw it away. So, okay, maybe I'll make a video after, like, if it gets moldy and it's time to throw it out. I'll make a video of, like, cutting it open and putting it in the trash can and see what it's like. So, other materials, 3 latex balloons. We got them here. And 1 funnel, 1 instant snow packet, 1 clear pellets packet. Oh, that's what they are. Other materials you'll need: scrap paper or paper towels to put everything on. 1 third of a measuring cup, distilled water, which is optional, vinegar or antibacterial hand sanitizer optional, scissors optional. So set up your squish zone. Making Squooshos is so much fun, but it can be messy. Cover a clear flat surface with newspaper or paper towels. Then lay out all your materials and get ready for some sweet stress relieving fun. Step 1. Grab your first Squooshos balloon and place the opening into your funnel. Step 2. Holding the funnel, Step 1. Grab your Squooshos balloon, place the opening into your funnel. So basically, you just do this. I've done this before, I mean, yeah. Oh yeah, if you hear the background music, that's from a movie my parents are watching. My brother is also there too. I watched it yesterday, it's really good. In case you're really curious, it's an Indian movie. Okay, I'm gonna take beat. Oh, I can't do this. I don't know what age this kit is designed for. I mean, I'm just using this because I found it at the store. So I decided to take it. Okay, finally got it on. Step 2. Holding the funnel, pour in 1/4 of your bag of instant snow and 1/4 of your pellets packet. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Just kidding. Okay, okay, I'll probably just like get some scissors, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back now. I've got the scissors, I've got the hand sanitizer, got the distilled drinking water, purified water, bottled water. So the instructions say to hold your funnel, pour 1/4 of your bag of instant snow and 1/4 of your pellet packet. I mean, you just cut it open. I made a mistake. Okay, so wait, I don't understand why it says to pour 1/4 because we only have 3 balloons, and it makes more sense to put in 1/3 though. But whatever. I'm just gonna take some instant snow now. I'm just eyeballing ingredients. Of course, the more snow you put in, the more that like you get from like water, so you want to be careful with the amount you put in. I think this is good. Hopefully it is. Tap, make sure you get everything in there. Now, step 3. After filling your balloon with instant snow and pellets, ask an adult to fill the balloon with water. You want the water to reach up to the neck of the balloon and give your Squooshos their sweet, squeezable shape. Squishy tip, if possible, use distilled water to fill your balloon. And add a drop of antibacterial hand sanitizer or vinegar to help keep your Squooshos clean. So, I'm gonna hold this. Open your water bottle. Pour it in. Make sure you notice how much you're pouring in. Some of it's coming up to the surface. One thing I know for sure, I probably put in like a little too much pellets. Aha, the instant snow is starting to form. Or if you want, you just don't need to put the instant snow pellet, like not the instant snow, the pellets in at all. If you just want that soft feeling. Pour in water. If you notice you're having too much, just pour it back into the bottle, but make sure you're not going to drink back from this bottle of water. Make sure it's only used for crafting, because I'm going to use this for crafting only. Okay, so I think this is good enough. Whoa. The instant snow. Okay, now oh yeah, I forgot the hand sanitizer, whoops. Okay, so you take this. If I can open, okay. And then take it and then pour it into the funnel. I poured some in. You just need to okay. Just need to get it mixed in. I know I'm doing this really wrong, but pour it back in. Okay, now this is what it looks like. So I'm pretty sure the instant snow is transparent. I mean, according to this, it is. But I thought it'd be white, but technically, I guess because it has water, it's gonna be transparent. So just take whatever you have to the neck and then just start pushing it down. Pour some water in. Pour the water back in. This is only if you notice. Okay, so now, step 4. Once your balloon is filled with water, tie the end to create a secure knot. Squishy tip. Try to tie the knot as close to the base of the balloon as possible to help your Squooshos keep their shape. For a nice finished look, trim the excess latex around your knot. Don't cut too close, this can break your Squooshos. Okay, so be super duper careful with this step. So this is probably why if you're like, I don't know, maybe age 6 or something, or, I don't know, you might want to have an adult with you to help you with the tying part, because yeah, but I've done this before. Okay, now tying. Oh, sorry, the camera angle is pretty weird. I made a giant one of this one time. I got one for my birthday a few years ago. Made a giant one, and then it got really moldy at one point and I had to throw it out. I know, it's really squishy. It's really nice. So before you squeeze, let your Squooshoo sit for 5 minutes. Well, so your instant snow fully expands. Oh, there's more expanding? Uh-oh. I mean, it's fine, I guess. I mean, I'll just let it sit for 5 minutes. So after letting your Squooshoo sit, show off your very own Candy Crunch creation to your friends and family. Happy squeezing. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So on a scale of 10, I'll scale 1 to 10. I'd probably rate this maybe an 8 out of 10. I mean, I really like this and all, right? But maybe if they could add more balloons into this kit, and maybe actual, like, maybe plastic cup to measure, or maybe like I feel like they could have gave like that kind of stuff. Maybe they could have even gave like more stuff to add into the thing. That would have been really cool. I mean, clear balloons could have been nice too. But yeah, overall this is a really good, soft, squishy little fidget, fun to make, very easy, portable. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. And that's it for today. So thank you so much. Bye!